Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Gemini Live. To begin, ensure you have the Gemini application installed on your Android device. This feature provides a dynamic way to interact with artificial intelligence, offering real-time spoken responses. You can engage in free-flowing conversations, making your interactions more natural and intuitive. It's designed for seamless communication. To get started on your mobile device, first download the Gemini app from your respective app store. Once installed, open the application. You will then see a waveform icon, which you should tap to initiate a live conversation. For some compatible devices, simply saying, "Hey Google, let's chat," will also activate Gemini Live, offering a hands-free option. Gemini Live allows you to share your camera for real-time visual assistance. Simply point your camera at an object or scene and ask questions. You can also screen share to get contextual help with what's on your display. This enables dynamic, multi-turn conversations where you can interrupt Gemini and pivot the discussion as needed, just like talking to a person. With Gemini Live, you'll experience incredibly natural and free-flowing conversations, making interactions feel effortless. It provides tailored assistance for a wide range of tasks, from planning a dinner party to breaking down complex concepts. Use it to brainstorm new ideas, organize your thoughts, or simply talk things out. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your daily productivity and creativity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.